Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Take. From last 4 weeks, I am using the OnePlus 9RT with the new series of update that is V700 U110P01. We already did the in-depth review of that update. We also discussed about its battery life. All the things will be found under the video description. Its link is available there. But the 2 days before, OnePlus again started to roll out another small update of this series with the new update code as software OT version as EX01 U120P02. So why OnePlus is providing such frequent updates on the monthly basis? You will get the answer of this question at the end of this video. Today I installed the update, reviewed its changes, performance details and the BGMI gaming to check if it is now supporting the 120 or 90 FPS or not. So please watch this video till the end to get the answer of everyone's common question, that is, do we need to upgrade our device or not? Now without further delay, let's get started. It's a new After updating the device to the latest one, if you check the about device details, it's showing our current software version as OxygenOS V700 EX01 U120P02. Android version is same, it's Android 14. Security patch is also same like old build, it's from the June 2024. Under the version section, nothing has been changed except the software OT version. It changed to U120P0PR B1 EX01. So ultimately, this is the same old V700 update series with some additional minor changes. We'll discuss them in details. What are these updates? Which devices will get these updates at the end of this video, so watch this video completely. So first and the last change done by the OnePlus developers in this update is the unit converter. The new calculator application update has all units well arranged in the cards. We can easily switch between the units option within the cards. Like here for the currency converter, I can easily convert between the dollars to rupees or any currency available in the list. So this is the convenient way to convert anything without downloading any third-party unit converter from the Play Store. This is the only change OnePlus did in this update. Next they did the performance and stability improvement. So I directly tested the Geekbench results and compared it with the old build. For the CPU performance, we got the results of 1205 and 3460 for the new build, while for the old build the scores were 1229 and 3256. Here multi-core performance got improved, which was slightly went down for the old update. While with the performance mode enabled, results were slightly reduced or down, they were 1205 and 3450. For the GPU performance on the OpenGL API results, the results was 4412 and the Hurricane Air drivers has the score of 4332. Old build has the score of 4342 and 4939 respectively. If we tested the GPU performance result after enabling the performance mode, new build has the score of 4412 and 4435 for the OpenGL and Hurricane API respectively. Old build has the outstanding score of 4513 and 5314. The new build with the performance mode actually downgrades the GPU performance as compared to the old build. So my recommendation is to play the games without the performance mode enabled in this update. I also checked the GPU drivers version of the new build and they were same like each and every build of the OxygenOS. It's OpenGL ES3.2 at the rate 530.53 dated 11 September 2023. If you want to upgrade your GPU drivers version, you can check out our Snapdragon GPU driver update playlist which are compatible with the OnePlus 9RT. Now let's confirm, does the OnePlus enable the Extreme Plus FPS for the BGMI? But it's not, we just get the Smooth plus Extreme. That's why while playing the game it runs constantly on the 60 FPS. But if you want 120 FPS in the game, then please watch our mod video link given under the video description. Finally, let's discuss about why OnePlus releasing this new series of updates. Remember, these updates released by the OnePlus will not compromise any big changes. They are only meant for the OnePlus apps upgrade, stability improvement, bugs and the performance uplift, etc. This new update series will be available for all the latest devices along with the old devices which got the OxygenOS 14 and 13. This series of updates are already rolled out for the OnePlus 9 RT with the OxygenOS V700 major update. Updates will be released globally including the India region. Here you can check the list of all the OnePlus phone which will get this series of updates. This includes currently running devices like OnePlus 9 RT and OnePlus Nord 2. So it's a great initiative by the OnePlus supporting the devices whose updates were stopped up, but we will get such new series of updates for the next 2 to 3 years. I didn't test the battery life of the new build, hope they improved it again like old version V600 because the new V700 series has very bad battery life results. I will report them after 2 to 3 days after using the new update. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked my work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of such informative content for OnePlus 9 RT. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.